The M38A1, often referred to as the MD, was a significant evolution of the iconic Jeep design produced by Willis from 1952 to 1971. This military light utility vehicle was a substantial improvement over its predecessor, the M38, boasting a more rounded and visually appealing design that would later influence the civilian CJ-5 model. The M38A1 was equipped with a more powerful Hurricane F-head engine, providing enhanced performance and reliability compared to earlier models. Its robust frame and suspension system were designed to handle demanding off-road conditions and heavy loads, making it well-suited for a variety of military and civilian applications. This versatile vehicle served in numerous roles, including reconnaissance, troop transport, and supply hauling. Its durability and adaptability contributed to its popularity both within the military and among civilian enthusiasts. The M38A1's distinctive design and rugged capabilities have solidified its place in automotive history as a true icon of off-roading and military service. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.